Hi kids. How are you today? Let's learn names of different crockery and cutlery items. This is called plate. This is a bowl. This is a cup. It's a saucer. This is a mug. It's a tray. This is called gravy boat. It's a sugar bowl. It is a teapot. This is called casserole dish. It's a butter dish. It's a spoon. This is called soup spoon. It's a fork. This is called knife. This is a butter knife. It's a ladle. It's a tongs. This is called cake server. It's a serving spoon. It's a slotted serving spoon. It's a pierced serving spoon. This is called ice cream scoop. It's a rice paddle. So kids, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you again.